I welcome you to the French desk. So today we'll be doing part 4 of our chapter 1 and hopefully we'll be able to complete it today with the exercises. Let's begin with question number 4. Écrivez les nombres en lettres. We have to write number names. First one, the, 2, D, E, U, X, the. 4 was quatre, Q, U, A, T, R, E. 6, six, same as in English. 8, huit, H, U, I, T. I hope you have learned the numbers from the previous video and you're finding this easy. If not, you can practice it. 10, dix, 12, douze, D-O-U-Z-E, douze. 14 was quatorze, Q-U-A-T-O-R-Z-E, quatorze. 16 was seize, S-E-I-Z-E. 18 this week. Then 20 was vingt. Right? Moving on to the next question. Question number 5. Écoutez et remplissez les blancs. We are not doing this as listening activity. Let's just solve and write the number name. 1 minus 1, 0, so 0. 20 minus 3, 17, so these set. 2 plus 2, 4, so quatre. D, 10 into 2, 20, so vingt. 8 plus 5, 13, so treize, T-R-E-I-Z-E. Question number 5. Correct the spelling mistakes. Corrigez les fautes d'orthographe. This question is a recap question in reference to the part 2 of the chapter. Let's do it. Mice. The correct way to write it is M-I-M-A-I-S. Mice, which is the word for corn. Second, homme. Homme, it would be written as H-O-M-M-E, which is the word for man. Next, this is soleil. S-O-L-E-I-L. Soleil is sun. Next, dauphin. Dolphin. The correct way to write it is D-A-U-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. I hope French words are now becoming familiar to you. Next, igloo. I-G-L-O-U. Igloo. Jupe. The correct way to write is J-U-P-E. This is the word for skirt. Bath. B-A-T-T-E. Bath, which is the word for bat. Finally, we have reached the last question of this chapter, which is calculate. 3 plus 2 gives 5. We have to write it in French also. So, trois plus deux égale 5. Next, 4 into 5 gives 20. So 4 fois, 4 fois. Fois means time. So 4 times 5. 4 fois 5 gives 20. 12 divisé par 6. 12 divided by 6 gives 2. So 12 divisé par 6 gives the dash minus 7 gives 8. So 15. That is quinze, quinze minus 7 gives 8. Oh. Next, 16 plus 1 gives 17. So seize, seize plus a égale 17. Dash minus 9 gives 11. So 20, 20 moins 9 égale 11. 4 into 4, 16. So 4 fois 4, 4 times 4 gives 16, which is seize. Dash plus 4 gives 14. So 10 plus 4 égale 14. Dash divisé par 5. Okay, so we haven't learned 40. We've done numbers from 1 to 20. So this can be considered out of syllabus question for now. But I'll tell you what is 40 in French. Just fill in the blank. And we'll do 20, the numbers on 20 onwards later in the subsequent chapters. So this is quarante, Q-U-A-R-A-N-T divisé par 5 égale 8. This is quarante divisé par 5 égale 8. Okay. The last part, dash plus 6 égale 14. That is 8 plus 6 égale 14. That's it. With this, we come to an end of chapter 1. I hope you enjoyed learning with me, and if you did, please subscribe and share it with your friends. And I'll soon be back with the second chapter. If you have any queries or doubts in any of the topics we've studied, please leave it in the comment section. I'll revert to you as soon as possible. Thank you for your support. Keep learning. Happy learning. Thank you.